Okay guys, welcome to another unboxing, but first I'm going to announce the Tata Harrier giveaway winner, and the winner is Niranjan Adyar. So congratulations Niranjan, and thanks to all of you for participating in the giveaway. The response was amazing, and I'm also going to announce another giveaway next month, so stay tuned for that as well. So let's get back to the video. So today I'm going to unbox this 1/18 diecast model of BMW new 5 Series G30 by Kyosho. I bought this model from ebay.com for $90. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. If you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the video of how I picked the winner, and once again congrats Niranjan, and thanks to all of you for participating. And next video I'm also going to reveal my miniature house, so stay tuned for that as well. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.